Today I'm going to show you a way to animate a delivery van. Okay, let's get started. First I'm going to create a new composition using this new composition button, and the resolution is HD quality with 25 frames rate. Okay, let's have a 5-second animation. Okay, now we have the interface, and I'm gonna import a Illustrator file to this project. Here the file I have created. Okay, I'm gonna import it as a composition, retain real size option, then click import. Okay, now we have the project file, and I'm gonna drag and drop here. Okay, and I'm gonna make it collapse transform all layers to the rasterized format, and then I'm gonna click all these, select all these layers and click on this star button. Okay, we have a van body and a text as separated, and then the two tires, front and back. Okay, now let's see what we have. All the items are here, text, and then the back tire, and the front tire. Okay, now I'm gonna select both of these two tires, and I'm gonna hit R button. Then you will get this rotation option. Then click on this clock to animate. Then you can move this slider to the end of this video, 5 seconds. Okay, now change this rotation, number of rotations to 1. Okay, so you will see the rotation of these two tires. Okay, good. Okay, now let's select these two two text layers and make these two parent to this van body layer. Okay, so by doing this, if you move this van body, the both of these two text layers also get moved. Okay, so I'm going to change the position. Just click P on your keyboard. Then I'm going to take this slider to 0.5 second, and I'm going to give a small bump. Okay, and I'm going to copy this position, the first position to the last at the 1 second. Then click Alt button and the mouse. Then you will get this code to type. You can type the loop out option here, and you can see a nice bumpy feeling of your video. Okay, and the tires are rotating. Perfect. Okay, so what you need to do is change the rotation as you wish for the both of these tires. I'm going to keep same rotation, number of rotations. Then you can change the rotation speed like this. Look at this, it's perfectly animated now. Okay, that is how you can change this rotation of the tires. And if you want, you can change the van body movement to a position you like. Okay, that's the end of this video, and make sure to subscribe my channel. Thank you.